Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. I'm assuming by the time I get this video up, it's gonna be after Christmas. But I kind of wanted to take you guys home for the holidays with me. I'm currently at my house, which is on the east side of Michigan, and my parents live on the west side, so they live about 3 hours from me. Is it 3.5 or 3 hours? And I'm gonna spend the week out there. So Christmas as of right now, I think. Alexa, what day is it today?
Today is Thursday, December 17th.
It's the 17th.
By the way, holidays are right around the corner. Would you like to hear gift ideas from Oprah's list of favorite things?
No, thank you.
No problem.
Anyways, it's the 17th today, so we've got a little ways until Christmas, so I'm gonna just make this week as fun-filled and festive as possible. I'm actually a Christmas nut. Like, I love, love, love the holidays. I think more than most people. I started celebrating like the day after Halloween, so holidays are my jam. So yeah, I'm just getting some last minute things done. I'm gonna be packing, and I like to clean my house when I go out of town, so when I come home it's nice and clean for me. So I'm gonna clean the house, pack, make Miles like some sort of dinner that he can eat over the next few days because he's gonna stay in town until Christmas Eve. And yeah, otherwise if I don't make him food, he eats just like Ritz crackers and peanut butter, which is not good. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. And look at this beautiful snow. Let me just show you. It's just like a little snow globe. It's so beautiful. So here's my tree this year. What I love about my tree is every single ornament on this tree means something to me. And I just tried to pick some fun ones out for my future children because my mom had a fun tree like this. And I would just spend hours just staring at her tree and looking at the different ornaments. So I've got some fun color changing ones, lots of sparkle, lots of little Santas and feathers and a lot of stuff. This one was actually on my mom's tree when I was a little girl. So when I was like 4 years old, I would just sit there and pull this string over and over again. I've also got this little moose up here, and he moves too. I personally love it. It's like I said, every single thing on this tree means something. So what? What? Are you bored? You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Come on. She hates putting her sweater on, but I just feel like it's too cold outside for her to go for a walk without one of these. So, it's so cute. I know, I'm sorry, but once you get it on, you're okay. Don't hate me. You're gonna learn to regret going on walks because you have to wear a sweater. She's actually got a winter coat, but she got kind of fat this year, so she actually doesn't fit in it anymore. But this sweater fits her perfectly. You look so pretty. Daddy, are you excited to see Grandma and Grandpa? Let's go see Grandma and Grandpa. Let's go, little travel buddy. Hey, Luce! Where's Grandma?
Daddy!
There's Grandma!
Where's my girl? Merry Christmas! Come here! Merry Christmas!
Hi, Lulu. Oh, it looks really pretty in here. So festive. Hello. So I'm currently on my way to my friend Jessica's house because she is moving. Her and her boyfriend bought this beautiful new house, but she just had surgery, so she can't really lift anything. So that's where I come in, and I'm gonna help her do some heavy lifting and get some of her supplies over to their house so she can spend the night in it tonight. And then we'll probably do like a little Christmas exchange. Every year we usually have some sort of Christmas party where we do a craft, but this has been kind of a weird year, and I don't think we're gonna do the craft this year, but we are gonna exchange some gifts today. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of Christmas shopping tonight. So I'm hoping to finish up all my Christmas shopping. I wrapped a few gifts last night, but I'm a little stressed out. Normally have all of my Christmas shopping done like in November. I've just been kind of like lagging this year and kind of putting it off, and now it's like a week until Christmas, so I'm freaking out a little bit. I gotta I gotta finish this crap up so I can just relax.
So perfect. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Our Christmas tradition.
Come on in. Time to bake cookies. Oh, you look cute. I know. I hung it up today for Grandma. Right, Daddy? Oh, good. I didn't know you could see it from outside. Yeah, I know. We look like hobos. That's a really good look for you. Right? Looks delicious.
I didn't want to go eating something plastic.
No, I would like to see you. It is plastic. I'm gonna make you eat it. Delicious. Cheers. Oh, mine fell off. Cheers.
Gotta roll again. That pocket's bigger. 3!
He's not getting so lucky.
We were playing for quarters. He did that like 10 times. Oh, he was so pissed.
Merry Christmas Eve. It wasn't even supposed to snow today. It's like a little Christmas miracle. It looked like a little snow globe. You're getting around pretty good in that thing. It says single and ready to jingle.
Just this tiny small surgery that I have on my
Yeah.
wrist. This was super
See.
tight.
Is this gonna be hot? Oh shoot. Okay, so I consider myself a vegetarian, but I still eat crabs. Maybe I'm a pescatarian? If I'm gonna splurge, it's gonna be on crab. Whoa, there's more?
Oh.
Hello. My family's weird.
Hello!
Yay.
Oh my god. Okay. Merry Christmas, you boring kids. What, are you scared? What, are you scared or something? What are you gonna do? What are you,
I think
what?
you're gonna put a sweater on
What are
her.
you gonna do? I was going to, actually. You don't like sweaters? Come here. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Do it. You can do it. Get it. My spider catcher.
Not to open it, to show it first.
It's a spider catcher.
Oh my god. Oh, I know what this is. I've seen this before.
It's a critter catcher. Oh, that's not the whole thing. I didn't even look who this was from.
You
This
like
is
that?
from Mom and Dad.
So everybody else is
There you
got
go.
candles, so she had to have a
Oh, it's my lighter. Oh. Oh.
I was like, really? Even fit like 8? Maybe.
You all cozy over here?
Amazing.
I'm cozy.
Big day for your doogie.
This is
This is so nice.
you gotta find out where she got this. Because the
Yay!
candle right there.
Grab one out for her, will ya?
It started a fire.
That sounds like something that you might like.
Aaliyah, let me see your wearable blanket. Oh, she looked good.
Is the battery still back? Oh no. Did you see me pose?
No, I did.
That's right. Mommy, this is
guess you made me clean.
You know what? The one bad thing about being in Florida is I miss Brian so much.
Oh, get out of here.
One bad thing is I don't. His face was like a crocodile. But now I'm gonna talk her into going parasailing. I miss Brian. Wait, over here. Your boyfriend's lying.
Hey guys, so don't mind me. I'm trying this new technique to curl my hair with no heat. So if it works, I will post a video on it. If it doesn't, there will be no video. But I wanted to jump on here and just update you guys with what happened after the holidays. So Christmas, we just kind of chilled with my family, watched some home movies, and then we went to my father-in-law's house. And the crazy thing about their family party is there's this uncle who brings a big bag of money every single year and some random board game or like a card game. And this year we played this game called Del Moody, and the pot was $800. And I was just sweating the whole time. Like, it's just like, that's a lot of money and I want it. And we got it because my husband won. And I'm pretty competitive, so it was a good win. 3 years in a row, you guys. $800, it was amazing. So I bought myself a carpet cleaner, and I bought myself a new fridge organization system. So I do plan on possibly making like an organizational video. If you guys want to see that, let me know, because I'm going to be redoing all of my cupboards. I'm going to be redoing my fridge. Just live a simpler, cleaner life for 2021. So if you want to see like organization videos, let me know. But anyways, that was really exciting. So came home the next day after Christmas. I took down all my Christmas stuff, which is really sad. Actually, I still have my lights on outside the house. Now that's a different story. I really am dreading doing that, but I wanted to have the house nice and clean for New Year's, so I took everything down, deep cleaned the carpets with my new carpet cleaner, dusted everything. So on New Year's Eve, my husband and I just stayed home, ate some crab legs, played some drinking games, took a midnight walk. It was just nice and relaxing, nothing too crazy. I mean, we got crazy because we play our games, we're pretty competitive, but other than that, it wasn't like a crazy night out or anything, just kept it really cozy. So today's New Year's Day, and I'm gonna just work on cleaning up the mess that we made last night at our party for two, and just start prepping for some new videos that I'm gonna be posting for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.